So I just got my mouth frozen and I'm trying to rub my lips together, but I can't. Look. Yeah, I'm trying to rub my lips together and it's really hard. I can't do it. Okay, let's see if I could drink some water. Turn this thing on. Oh god. I see that water right now. Well, but yeah, that's basically it. Like this whole side, I cannot feel. If I cut it open, I wouldn't be able to feel it. So yeah.